So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to install the Vape 2.0 onto your avatar. So you'll need three things: Poyomi, you'll need the Vape 2.0 asset, and you'll also need Avatar's 3.0 Manager. In order to get 3.0 Manager, you can go to Creator Companion, and where it says 3.0 Manager, you just hit the plus button, and when you go back into your project, it will automatically add to it. Once you have everything in uh, loaded into your Unity, you can come into the file Jaime, go to Vape 2.0, and this prefab you can just drag and drop into your avatar. And now when we open it, we can see that there are a lot of Constraint 2 things, so that's what we'll do. So this one says Constraint to head, so we will go into our armature, look for our head, which is here. We drag and drop from the hierarchy into here. We have to hit 0, and then we can activate it. Then we'll do the same for the hip. So, or hip or chest. I'm going to do the hip. So it shows here that there is nothing that I can add. So I will click on the plus. I only need to do 1 and add it to the hip. Once again, we need to hit 0 and then hit activate. And then we need to do it to the left and right hand. So I will come here, and the wrist is usually the hand. Zero it out, and then also the right hand. Okay. Now we can get to the actual moving of all the constraints. So we can start by doing the left and right hands. So this is what we have to move. So left hand is first. So when we are deciding here, you'll see that there are a bunch of vapes to choose from. The one that you pick, you will keep unhidden. I'm going to do type O. All the other ones that you don't decide to, highlight them, unshow them, and then come over here and set it to editor only. And you need to set it to editor only. When you set it to editor only, the VRChat SDK does not recognize it as an object to upload to VRChat, but it will still be present in your Unity. So if you wanted to change down the line which vape pen you're using or holding, you can come back here, toggle it back on, set editor only to untagged, and then set the old one to editor only and turn it off. Now, I will be using typo for the rest of this. So here, we can move it and scale it to how we want. I see here that I need to move it up and closer to my hand. Hey, it's me from the future. If you want to scale your vape, you need to, instead of scaling it through here, you need to scale it through the actual vapes, and that scales it properly. Like back to your regularly scheduled program. That looks good on my left hand, so I can move to my right hand. In order to move to your right hand, you click on vapes, and here there's a parent constraint, and we can set this to a 0 and move it over to the right hand. And then we click back onto the move, rotate, and scale, and here's where we can do like that. That looks good. And now we need to move the actual constraint so it's in the right area. So if you don't see the little circle, you can come up here, turn on the gizmos, and that will show you where it is. So I typically have mine on my left hand, so I'm going to move my pocket to the left side so that I can put it in my left pocket, and that's how you hide it. Here, we can just take a look to see as well. We can take a look to see if we want more of it to be out. We can move it like that. Once we are happy with the location of everything, come here and we can also hide the vape. Now we have to get onto the FX stuff. So we come up here to VR Labs and open up 3.0 Manager. We drag our avatar into avatars, open up FX, add animator to merge, open up this menu, drag and drop Vape 2.0 underscore FX into here, and then we can merge on current or merge on new. I'm going to merge on new so that I don't overwrite any of my previous stuff. Come over to the FX, add the parameter, also copy that, and then that is all we need for 3.0 Manager. Now we can come to our avatar here, scroll down to the menu, add a control, or put it wherever you want, name it vape pen or do whatever. Change the type to a submenu, and then drag and drop the main menu into here. That should be how you install the vape pen. If there's any questions or if you need support, you can join the Discord server and create a ticket, and one of the staff members should be able to help you there.